Here is the first day of the job. I believe it was about 24 yards. Do a extension of the driveway, getting these plants out of the way, moving that drain down, removing some of this tree bark, breaking. We're gonna break that little square right there. 6 feet. 6 feet is what we're doing right here. We're gonna start grading all this dirt right here, giving a 1% slope away from the house. So here we are the first day. I got my level, laser. This is my little S450TS. Really good buy that I did right here. You're in the concrete business. This is a must right here. I'm grading the dirt. We put up the forms already. Forms are up. Now we're doing all the grading. So it did rain. Got leaking right there. So the dirt is a little bit muddy. So we're grading it right there. Nice little easy. That's my work in half. My work time in half. I don't have to keep breaking my mind. Move on up there. It is a 36-inch, 3 feet wide, so it does fit any door. So the doors on the side and the houses are good 6 inches and 3 feet. So it does fit any back door, any back of the house. We compacted. Here's all nice and compacted, ready to put the wire mesh. Everything's nice and compacted. See how it's all flat. It's a 6x6 wire mesh, concrete wire mesh that we added. It reinforces everything, keep it from separating. Up next, right here, we did throw 10 yards. So 24 yards is a little bit too much, but 10 yards we went right here. So we started. We opened up the joints. Joints are opened up. Stamping. So we're doing a Roman slate stamp. This is how we stamp it right here. We use this 4x4 plastics stamps with these handles, and we take them off, move them around, and just start stamping before the concrete dries. Here it is. Usually 2 guys. One guy can do it, but usually it's 2 guys. One moving the stamps, and other stamping. Here's the next day. We did 12 yards right here. Side walkway. This is a troweling. We're troweling smoothing out everything. This is a joiner. This is what smooths out the joints in between. And pretty much this is we finished up the front. Front is finished. A nice broom finish. Extension of the patio right here. So nice broom finish. We did some joints right there. Cut it in half. That way, if concrete breaks, it breaks in between those joints. Here's another angle right here. Yeah, pretty much we finished up. And the next step is just to power wash the back. It was a little bit hard in that little electric or the communication